गाइस, ये हमारी कार है और ये हम है और ये हमारी पारी हो रही है।
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Indian Homeopath. My name is Rohit Goyal and I'm currently pursuing a BHMS at NHMZ Delhi. Now we're heading towards the Chandni Chowk metro station, which is located on the yellow line to reach the Nai Sadak on time. This is my vlog number 2, and if you haven't watched my previous vlog, I'll give the link in the iCard, also in the description. Now for those people who have not been to Chandni Chowk market before, just for a quick review, I'll tell you that Chandni Chowk is one of the major markets in Delhi, along with CP, Janpat and more markets where you will find anything and everything at very cheap prices. The market is divided into several small markets which are famous for and dedicated to selling specific things like spice market, jewelry market, fabric market and more. But we have to go to the Nai Sadak, which is book market specifically. Just after when you exit the Chandni Chowk metro station, ask the local for a way to main market, or you can just open Google Map and navigate through it. For your convenience, I'll put the Google location as well as some book shop details in the description. Along with this, I'll recommend you not to take rickshaw or bring any vehicle to move around due to heavy rush in the market. Instead, just flex your glutes, quadriceps and hamstring muscles and take a long walk. Now we have just reached the main market, and as you can see, the kind of rush during the peak hours of the daytime, as well as sellers pitching for different kind of stuff from lehengas to books. And one more thing I would like to mention specially is that please carry your wallets and phones with utmost care, as it may get easily stolen the moment you lose care. And as you can see here, that there are two types of sellers here, one who have shops alongside road and the other who just carry stack of books along the road. You just tell the name of the book and the name of the author, and they'll tell you if they can provide you with that book or not.
इसके अलग से चार्जेस लूंगे मैं, ठीक है? चल लहंगे शूट कर ले। सेकंड हैंड तो कहीं मिल ही नहीं रही है।
Now we just asked the one seller to show some second-hand books, and he's taking us towards his main shop located deep in the gullies of Chandni Chowk inside, which is pretty common here. Before taking any second-hand book, just be little vigilant about the actual price of the book, the edition of the book you are getting. Don't take too much old edition, and most importantly, the condition of the book. The book should not be heavily annotated or marked with the markers. Now it's not necessary that you will get all the books at one single stop, so you have to do a little research and exploration, ask for different prices on different shops and how much discount you are getting. Standard medical books or foreign of the books are a little expensive, so you can consider buying it second hand, or it just completely depend on your personal preference. You can if you can manage with second hand books, or you prefer reading new glossy pages, but I'll personally recommend you that you should definitely consider some second hand books, if not all. Guys, this market is paradise for all kind of medical books, ranging from cheap to expensive, from homeopathy, Ayurveda to physiotherapy, MBBS, dental and nursing, and not just medical books. Other type of books are also available like IGNOU, NCERT, UPSC, novels and all. Now before moving forward, I would request you to please give a thumbs up to this video to appreciate my efforts, and comment your thoughts and queries about this video, and I will give a shout out to the best comment in my next upcoming video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more informative vlogs and fun medical content, because as a small YouTuber, this is the time I need your most support to stay motivated and consistent to spread more awareness about homeopathy. And it's also one single stop for other type of stuff like medical instruments and stationery, but make sure whatever you buy, just do a little bargaining. And yeah, I suggest you to bring at least 2 to 3 hours with you and apply a little sunscreen when you plan to come here.
सॉल्ट पेपर है ना ये।
1, 2, 3, 4, so many books, right? Mountain of books. And now our vagus nerve was calling us to get some kalmi vadas, so we listened to its call and ate some.
सबको थोड़ी नॉलेज मिली होगी कहाँ बुक लेनी कैसे लेनी है, ठीक है। इनके मतलब एड्रेस है मेरे पास, उनको मैं एड्रेस डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा, ठीक है। और मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो, ठीक है ना। एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय।